Well, there it is. It's out and sideways. So let's talk about it. I don't know the brand of the rims and the tires. I picked this more or less rolling chassis up during COVID. It didn't have a rear end. I had to drop it on the little dolly carts and shove it in the garage. Excuse me. There is a video of the engine running. I did make sure that it ran after I bought it, of course. Excuse me. The motor is, I believe, a 6.2 LS3 out of a 2010 Camaro. It's matched up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And this is about as far as I got. The seat's out of a minivan. You can see it's very well installed. Yeah. So, got it from a guy who was an engineer. The frame's been boxed. The front suspension's done. It's got manual rack and pinion, which I don't know. May keep, may not. So, here's kind of where I got stuck. I was trying to get the steering column in here. Not getting anywhere. I did get in one of the gauges. Kind of nice. But I got some wooden dowels and I was trying to do some geometry, and that was hitting there and this was hitting there, and it's about as far as I got. But you know, everything takes time. So yeah, so we got the hood off, the front clip off, the doors off. I'm not sure what size tank or the brand. The rear end's out of like a 53 to 56 Chevy car. It's not a posi. There's no brake lines ran. But the plan is to get it spun around back in its little hiding hole so I can work on the steering column, maybe figure out the drive line, and do some other stuff. So that is about it. I'm trying to keep the inside mostly looking stock, but yeah. The backstory on this truck is that my dad bought it probably somewhere in the early 90s. I inherited it when he passed away. I sold it because I was kind of young and needed a vehicle. I spent about 18 years looking on Craigslist trying to find it, and I did. So I bought it back, minus the motor, the transmission, and the bench seat. And I'm gonna go over the other side. Hold on. And I put in a stock 235 SM420 4-speed with the granny gear, which I really liked. I really liked that motor, but it was just time to do something else. So that is the Chevy truck project. If anybody's been wanting to see it, it is out. It will be worked on this year. So. All right, right now, I have to install that thing, which is gonna go right there. Yay.